How to disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 and 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to disable Windows Defender in Windows 10 and 11. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, simply press Windows plus I to open the settings. And now here, once you are inside the settings, simply look at the left-hand sidebar and there you simply have to click on Privacy and Security. And now here, under the Privacy and Security, you simply have to select Windows Security. And now here, inside the Windows Security, they simply have to scroll down and click on Virus and Threat Protection. And now here, under the virus and threat protection, you have to change certain things. So here, you simply have to scroll down and there under virus and threat protection settings, you simply have to click on manage settings. And now here in this section, you simply have to toggle off real-time protection, and after that you can simply scroll down and turn off cloud delivered protection, and after that you can simply scroll down and toggle off automatic sample submission. And once you disable all three options, this will turn off Defender temporarily and Windows will turn it back on automatically later. And that's it. That's how you can disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.